Welcome back, everyone, to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best products for crafting enthusiasts and DIY lovers alike. We're talking about the Caydo Embroidery Floss, your ultimate companion for all your creative projects. This right here is the Caydo Embroidery Floss, a set that promises to elevate your crafting experience. Let me tell you why this is the best rainbow embroidery floss available in the market today. First off, this kit comes with a whopping 50 skeins of embroidery thread, each in a vibrant rainbow of colors. Whether you're into bracelet making, cross-stitching, or any DIY craft that involves thread, this set has you covered. Made from soft and durable polyester, these threads are not just smooth to the touch but also incredibly resilient. You won't have to worry about them fraying or tangling easily, making them perfect for both beginners and seasoned crafters alike. What makes this set even more practical are the 12 included floss bobbins. These little tools are a game changer when it comes to organizing your threads for future use. No more messy tangles or wasted time sorting through your supplies. Each bobbin is designed with a clever double-ended feature, ensuring your threads stay securely in place until you're ready to use them. It's attention to details like this that really sets Caydo apart. Now, let's talk versatility. These threads aren't just for embroidery. You can use them for friendship bracelets, children's crafts, decorative tassels, and so much more. With 50 vibrant colors at your disposal, the creative possibilities are truly endless. Whether you're creating personalized gifts, decorating for holidays, or simply indulging in a relaxing crafting session, Caydo's embroidery floss ensures your projects turn out beautifully every time. Crafters around the world trust Caydo for its durability, value for money, and ease of use. It's clear from the feedback that this set exceeds expectations, making it a must-have in any crafting arsenal. So, whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, the Caydo Embroidery Floss is your ticket to unlocking endless creativity. Don't miss out on this fantastic product. Check the link in the description to get yours today. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews on products that enhance your everyday life. Until next time, happy crafting!